Today's our topic is image reference, and we will see that how we can use image references and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on this plus button. Small pop-up will come. We have to click upload a file, and now from here, from our system, we have to choose the pic that we want to edit, or you can use as image reference. Click open. Now here hit or click open. So now your picture will be uploaded here. So this is your picture. Come here, click on it, right click and copy image address or copy link, both are same. So now come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt, and now we will paste our link here. So with the help of Ctrl V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now I will write my prompt here. So here is our prompt. You can see and read. Cyberpunk in a neon alley, way in an action pose at night with rain, realistic anime style. So all you have to just click on it and we will see that what MidJourney will provide the results. So here are 4 pictures that MidJourney has provided us. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. So U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, so you have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4. And if you want 4 variations of each picture, you have to click V1, V2, V3 and V4. This is reroll button. If you will click on it, you will get 4 different pictures again. So let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of this picture. So here is picture 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's all up to you. Either you want to upscale or you want 4 variations. Just come here, click on V1 because we want 4 variation of this picture. So after clicking V1, so here are our 4 variations of the picture. So picture 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we want is that we want to upscale any of this picture. So come here, we will click on U4 because we want to upscale this picture. So after clicking on it, so MidJourney will provide us this picture, and if you want to make more variations, you have to click on make variations and MidJourney will provide you more variations. But it is okay for us and this is our final result. I wish this video will help you to edit your own pictures in MidJourney.